Okay, so the problem that I'm having with my ollies are that either when I land it, I rotate either backside or front side, like about 45 to 20 degrees either way, or I end up flicking the board like a heel flip or a kick flip, or I can't even slide my foot up on it correctly, so then it just moves all over the place. So your help would be appreciated. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for sending in your video. I understand that you don't want to turn those little 45-degree angles, and that sometimes you're having a problem with dragging your foot up. Now, the first thing that I want to go over is that when you bend down like that and swing your arms up like that, you're turning your shoulders just a little bit. It might be a little bit hard to notice, but if you watch closely on those slow-mo shots, you'll turn your front shoulder just to the side, and then your legs will follow. It's very important to keep your shoulders straight and to not turn your shoulders or your head. Now here's the second part, is that you need to practice that motion that I did just right there. I suggest just standing still and practicing that motion just on its own. Because when you're having the problems where your board does like the kick flip or it's flipping, it's because this motion isn't being done correctly. So practice that motion all on its own and you'll get that down. Now, the other thing that's going to help with not turning your board a 90-degree angle or a 45-degree angle is just getting your riding down. Like the very basic step of just riding around will help to increase your board control a lot. The main step I think people skip in their skateboarding is just learning how to ride and push on their board and getting super, super comfortable. Now here, check out these slow-mo shots. I don't turn my head or my shoulders at all. They literally just go straight up. It's not turning at all, and that's what helps keep the board straight. Now I notice in a lot of your ollie attempts, you're also not moving, so that's why I think it would be best to get really, really comfortable just pushing and riding your board, and then you'll be more comfortable doing the ollie moving. So check it out. You guys should definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's a full program. It covers all of these tricks, and it's helping a lot of people learn to skate and master the basics of skateboarding. It's available at brailleskateboarding.com, so go and check it out. Check out all these other videos as well, and thanks as always for all of your guys' help and support. Keep sending in your skate support videos.